4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Liftoff normal.
There's the textbook liftoff of PSLV-C54 US-06 mission.
सफलतापूर्ण उत्थापन PSLV C54 बहुत ही रोमांचक क्षण यह होता है। जो लोग यहाँ उपस्थित हैं इसे लाइव देख रहे हैं, महसूस कर सकते हैं इनकी गर्जना, कंपन।
Airlift strap ignited.
S-130 के साथ स्क्वाड बूस्टर शुरू हो चुका है और यह गर्जन करता हुआ आकाश में बहुत ही रोमांचक क्षण 98.34 डिग्री के झुकाव के साथ 7.57 किलोमीटर प्रति सेकंड की सापेक्ष गति से अंतक्षेपित किया जाए।
EOS-06 satellite separated.
EOS-06 को सफलतापूर्वक अंतक्षेपित कर दिया गया है।
We have had a successful launch and injection of primary satellite EOS-06.
This range operation director. Mission is continuing with two phases of orbit changing thruster, that is OCT firing. The first phase of OCT burns takes place in the non-visibility period. The second phase of OCT burns takes place partially in the visibility period of Lucknow in orbit 2. After these two phases of OCT burning, remaining 8 satellites will be separated in the visibility period. During the non-visibility period, ground trace will be updated by extrapolation on the video wall. All stations involved in
ISRO's workhorse PSLV in its flight C54 is ready to launch EOS-06 satellite along with 8 nano satellites into 2 different SSPOs. The mission is targeted to launch from Satish Dhawan Space Center, Shar on 26 November 2022. EOS-06 is third generation satellite in the OceanSat series, which provides continued services of OceanSat 2 with enhanced payload capability.
EOS-06 OceanSat-3 spacecraft is a third generation satellite to study the biological parameters of ocean. This is having advanced payload specification as well as application areas. The satellite is realized on I-1K bus having liftoff mass of 1115 kg. It will put into the orbit height of 732.5 kilometers. It is an operational class spacecraft with complete redundancy, providing 5 years mission life.
The satellite on board carries 4 important payloads, namely Ocean Color Monitor (OCM3), Sea Surface Temperature Monitor (SSTM), KU Band Scatterometer (SCAT3), Argos. The OceanSat 2, which was launched during September 2009, configured to cover global oceans and provide continuity of ocean color data with global wind vector and characterization of lower atmosphere and ionosphere. The mission resulted in many research collaborations nationally and internationally on various areas: global chlorophyll distribution, KD490 distribution, ocean color images, oil spillages, wind vector products. The EOS-06 is envisaged to observe ocean color data, sea surface temperature and wind vector data to use in oceanography, climatic and meteorological applications. The satellite also supports value-added products such as potential fishing zone using chlorophyll, SST and wind speed and land-based geophysical parameters. The primary satellite EOS-06 will be separated in orbit 1. Subsequently, orbit change is planned by using 2 orbit change thrusters (OCTs) introduced in the propulsion bay ring of the PSLV-C54 vehicle. The passenger payloads (PPLs) will be separated in orbit 2. India-Bhutan SAT, a collaborative mission between India and Bhutan, is INS-2B satellite for Bhutan with 2 payloads, namely Nano MX a multispectral optical imaging payload developed by Space Applications Center and APRS Digipeater, which is jointly developed by DITT Bhutan and URSC. The other 3 payloads are commercial payloads from NSIL. The Anand 3 axis stabilized nanosatellite from Pixel India. Astrocast is a 3U spacecraft with 4 numbers of satellites. An ISI space quad pack dispenser is from Spaceflight Inc., USA. The Thai Bolt is a 0.5U spacecraft bus that includes a communication payload from Dhruva Space using their own orbital deployer with a minimum lifetime of 1 year.